4 easy ways to make your WordPress blog completely private. Okay, so you got a WordPress blog, but you only want you to see it and the people that you choose to see it. In this video I'm going to walk you through the 4 steps that you need to do and how you can implement it. Now don't forget, before we get going, make sure you subscribe, hit that subscribe button, turn it from red to gray. Don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live or if I upload a new video. So let's jump right into this. I know some of you want to have a private blog. This is your video. Let's get going. Now normally when you're writing a blog, you're going to want the world to see it. I mean, that's just the way it is. However, you're watching this video because for some reason you want yours private. Now there's many reasons for wanting it private, but some of them do include a blog that's just being built. It's not really ready yet, so maybe you just want to get some input from some other people before you actually go live. Maybe it's a family blog where you want to share pictures and stories and that type of thing, and you only want your family and friends to actually see this blog. Maybe it's a personal journey type thing you're going through. Maybe it's like a diary blog and you want to share it with other people that are working on their diaries and their blogs. Maybe it's something along that line. Maybe you're part of a team and you're all working on a project and you want to have a place where you can collaborate. That would be another reason to make it private. Maybe you have like a classroom type blog where it's only students that are taking your courses can go in there and get this additional information, and this is like a premium offer to people and they actually pay to get access to this. There's a lot of reasons why you're going to want it private. Now the first one, method 1, is called SEEDPROD. Now SEEDPROD is a plugin on WordPress, so your blog's going to have to be on WordPress, but most people are on WordPress now with their blogs. And SEEDPROD will let you make it totally private, especially while you're working on it. But it also will put up, you know, coming soon or under maintenance for other people when they come to that particular blog. SEEDPROD is actually a drag and drop WordPress website builder. It's also equipped with 150 different templates that you can use to create custom pages. It's got your 401 pages, it's got your custom WordPress themes, and you don't have to write any code, which is really cool. If you create a coming soon page to launch your blog, you can then see a guide on how to do that within SEEDPROD. Beyond keeping your blog private, your coming soon page can also help to gauge user interest, build hype, and capture leads. With your coming soon live page, you can keep your blog private as long as you like, and you can even customize your coming soon page to act as a home screen while your blog remains private. Once your blog is in maintenance mode, you can freely make changes to your blog or even build a new blog from scratch. Maintenance mode also prevents the search engines from indexing and ranking your site. Your visitors will only see a maintenance mode screen. It looks something like this, and you can see they can be notified. So that's the first way that you can do it. The next one I want to talk about is a plugin called MEMBERPRESS. So let's go over to MEMBERPRESS real quick. Another way you can make your blog private is by creating membership blog that's entirely private to members. Okay, this is pretty cool actually, and the best way to do this is MEMBERPRESS. It's one of WordPress plugins. It's helped earn more than $600 million alone, so that's a lot of money. This is what it looks like right here. It lets you easily create online courses, manage access controls, add lessons within the WordPress block editor. Plus it integrates with top WordPress page builders, plugins that let you add drip content to WordPress for your premium post, add content paywalls, and lock free content for specific users. It's a really cool WordPress plugin. I think you'd get a lot of use out of it. Now method 3 is using a plugin called My Private Site. So let's check that out. This plugin makes it easy to hide your blog, and it's a great fit for family blogs and companies who never plan on making their content public. It can also be used when your website is under construction, just like, you know, the SEEDPROD one I was just telling you about. But the first thing you need to do is install and activate the plugin on your WordPress site, which is easy to do. Once you've activated it, okay, you're going to go to My Private Site Privacy to configure the plugin settings. This is what you're going to see on your screen right here. With this option enabled, visitors will see your site login screen when they're trying to visit your website. Next, click the landing page menu option. Here you can choose where users will be directed after a successful login. Simply select the radio button on the landing page after login, or enter a specific URL into the specific destination URL box. You'll then come to a page like this. So after that, click the home page menu option. Here you can check the box in the site home section and make your home page accessible to other visitors. We leave it unchecked, but it can be helpful if you want to show a message to your visitors while keeping the rest of your website hidden. If you make these changes, then click make page public button right there. Next, click the membership menu option. Here you can choose whether or not you want users to be able to register to your blog. To allow visitors to register to your blog, both boxes have to be checked if you don't want to allow user registration. Then simply leave both boxes unchecked. Then click the update options box, which is right here. You can see it on the screen. And then after that, your WordPress blog will be completely private. Only users with login credentials will be able to log in and view your blog. You can see what it looks like right here. Now, believe it or not, there's still another thing you can do, okay? And that's making each individual blog post private within WordPress. Let's look at that. If you only want to make individual blog posts completely private, then you can use the built-in WordPress settings to do this. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to download anything. You have to install anything. Simply open up the blog post that you want to make private or create a new post. Then on the post editor screen, you'll see a visibility option. You see this here in the status and visibility meta box right there. This brings up a drop down where you can select the private option or even make your post password protected. Simply click the radio button to choose the option that best fits your needs. You can see it here. They've got public and they got private and password protected. Now let's talk about these. If you choose to make the post password protected, then you'll need to enter a password. Your users will need to enter the password you entered to view the post. So they're going to need to know that password. Keep in mind, they can share that password and other people can get in there. Once you're finished making changes, make sure to click the update or publish button. I can't count how many times I've done this and then not updated something. Now only the admins and editors will be able to view the post when they're logged into the WordPress dashboard. If you're the only user on your blog, then you don't need to worry about any of this, okay? But if you have other users, then you need to make sure they have the right user role to view that particular post. So if it's just going to be for admins, all your admins will be able to see it. Now like I said in the beginning of this video, there's a lot of reasons you want stuff private. You may temporarily want it private in the beginning until you get everything built out. You may want to get some collaboration going on what it looks like. You may just want to leave it private forever for your family and friends, or classrooms that you have, or business associates, or whatever it may be. But in this video, I've given you the major ways to actually make this stuff private. Any of you can do this. This is not hard. And if you stumble a little bit, go back to the point in the video where I'm actually showing you the screenshots and where you're supposed to click, and just watch it over again. Okay, I think a lot of people watch a whole video and they're like, I missed something. You can watch it again. Okay, you can watch it again. There's no charge to watch it twice. Watch it 100 times. I get paid, the more of my videos get viewed anyhow, so watch it as many times as you want. Now I have a lot of videos on this channel. If you're just dipping your toe in the water and seeing what I got, hey, if you want to start, run, and grow online businesses, this is the channel for you. This is the place you want to come to. I've sold millions of dollars of both digital and physical products online, and I take those techniques that work and I put them in this channel, and you can access them absolutely free. If you want more information, look below in the description. I have a lot of my reading list down there that I think is very helpful. I also have some of my courses down there if you want to get further training, and I actually have a free course down there too you can grab, absolutely free. It's click and learn. All you have to do is click and then you learn. Yeah, that's it. It's that easy. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down there, turn it from red to gray. Don't forget to ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so you're notified each and every time I go live or if I upload a new video. Give me a thumbs up if you would, and be part of the conversation. Comment below, ask me questions below, tell me about you. I don't know, tell me about your business, your weather, whatever it is, but communicate. The more you communicate with people online, the better off you're going to be, and the more money you're going to make in the long run, because you're going to learn more. So make sure you communicate. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.